Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to look at what to include in your posts when you post them. I know a lot of people can overthink the process of posting a new video, but we're just going to simplify it for you guys now. So we're on the desktop version of Instagram. It's the same if you're on your phone, whatever. I'm just doing this so that I can share my screen and also show you a face cam quite easily. And we're going to start with Instagram. So firstly, we're going to go click on this button here, and we're going to go to create a post, and we're going to drag and drop the audio visual that we created in one of our other videos. You can check out how to make a video like this on our page. I'm going to drag and drop it from the computer, and we're going to click next. You can choose from here. We can choose a cover photo. Make sure it's something if you've got a face in it where you can see the face. You can choose your sign on. You can trim the video from here as well. And then cool. And then we've got this bit here. So now it's like, what do I write in this caption? That's confusing. That's the confusing part. We will get onto tags and stuff later. So firstly, the number one thing you want to do is you want to call to action. So you're going to say, my new single, Lie No More, out now, link in bio. So that's the first thing. So people, when they're scrolling, they will see this and then they will go and click the link. Because what we want to do is we want to drive traffic from our Instagram posts into streaming our song. Also a reminder, hyperlinks do not work on Instagram posts. So we can't just post a link to the song here. You can also tell people to comment your thoughts below. And then we're going to get a little bit of space just to sort of clear it out. The next thing we want to do is we want to just to write a little bit about the song so people can sort of find out about the song, delve a bit deeper. So Lie No More is the first single off of my upcoming project. It features nice summery vibes and is perfect for those evening drives. Just something like that, just tell you a little bit, like what vibe does the song bring. You can also include maybe a little bit about how the song was made, people involved. You can also include that here as well. Obviously that goes back to the tag. If you can tag people, please do. Obviously tag if someone else produced the song, tag them. If someone made the artwork, tag them. And they're likely to share it as well because you want people to share the songs and share your posts. And then at the end, what we want the hashtags. So for these hashtags, to simplify it, we want a bit of a range. So we want some broader ones and we want some more niche ones. So for example, this song here is a hip hop track. So we're going to do hashtag hip hop. And as you can tell, there's a lot of posts that are hashtag hip hop. And then we might do one that's a little bit more niche. So we might do hashtag Welsh hip hop. And we see here, there's only 1,500 posts with Welsh hip hop. And then we might do, for example, your artist name. So my artist name is Charlie J. And so if people search Charlie J, they will find that. I do hashtag new music. Obviously new music's a bigger post. Things like upcoming artists are always good as well. Upcoming artist. Any artists it sounds like are pretty good as well. So for example, if I'm thinking of an artist who sounds like me, I might say Loyal Kana. You see, Loyal Kana's a bit more middle-sized. It's not as big as hip-hop. It's not as big as just Welsh hip-hop. Bigger than Welsh hip-hop. So it's kind of like you got a range of tags just to sort of do that. Adding a location is good because then if people are finding posts near that area, great. And then we can just share from there. So that's basically just the simple things about what to include when you have a post. If you go to Facebook, if you want to post on Facebook, what you can do, so when we go, for example, what's on your mind, you can click here to schedule your post. So if you go to the Meta Business Suite, this is a tip that not a lot of people know. And you can click create, and then we can you can again drag and drop. You can also post to Instagram from here as well. So even we've just put hi for now. And then if you go to the bottom right here, we can click that thing. It says schedule post, and it will tell you active times as well. Because that's another thing you've got to think of. What is the best time? When is the best time to post? When will the most people see it? Usually tea time's quite good because people are coming back from work and it's before they go out. But you can schedule posts here as well. There is a similar feature on Twitter called Tweetdeck. If you use Tweetdeck, you can also schedule your posts from there. So yep, so that's basics of what to include when you post on Instagram. If you're looking at TikTok, we're not going to discard that for now. If you're looking for TikTok, TikTok has a limit of how much you can include. So what we would do with that is basically remove the description so we can keep the tags and just a little call to action. Facebook, you can actually include hyperlinks. Facebook, you can include hyperlinks. So Instagram, TikTok, you can't include hyperlinks, but Facebook and Twitter, you can. So that's just a little short video about what to include when you create a post. Like I say, plenty more videos on our site if you're interested. Hopefully you've learned something and hopefully you've enjoyed.